Restoring sending privileges on eBay can be essential for maintaining your selling activities. Follow these steps to regain your ability to send messages or offers. Step 1. Review eBay policy. Understand the specific reasons why your sending privileges were restricted. Check eBay's policies regarding communication and selling practices to ensure compliance. Step 2. Check your account status. Log into your eBay account and navigate to the account section. Look for any notifications or alerts regarding your sending privileges and ensure there are no outstanding issues. Step 3. Resolve any issues. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Contact eBay support. If you believe your sending privileges were restricted in error, reach out to eBay customer support. Provide them with any necessary information and ask for clarification or reconsideration. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After addressing any issues and contacting support, be patient. eBay may take some time to review your case and restore your sending privileges. Keep an eye on your email for updates. By following these steps, you can work towards restoring your sending privileges on eBay. Stay informed about eBay's policies to prevent future restrictions.